Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your residence country on Binance without any type of problem. Stay until the end and don't miss any step to change your residence country without any problem. The first step that you have to do is enter to the official web of Binance and go to the bottom of the page, and you have to select here 24/7 support chat. When you select 24/7 support chat, you are gonna see this, and here you have to select see all, and then you have to select here change home address. When you select change home address, you are gonna see this. I cannot do the steps because I'm not verified, but you can follow the next steps here in this page. Is very easy, and you are gonna change your residence country without any type of problem if you follow the steps.